This is Christmas time. Let's twist some balloon with us. Come on, come on. Let's twist.
Ready to help Santa? Twist up your own balloon elf hat. Please welcome it, elf action.
We're going to start by pumping up our green 260 balloon.
Let's twist together.
And then tie a knot. We're also going to pump up our 260 blush balloon.
Let's twist together.
And also tie a knot.
This Christmas.
Leave a 4 cm tail. We're going to start by making a pinch twist. And then we're going to tie the blush balloon onto the green balloon. Then using the blush balloon again, we're going to make a 6 cm bubble and then a 12 cm bubble. This makes one ear.
This Christmas. Let's twist together. This Christmas. Let's twist together.
Now we're going to make a 60 cm bubble with the blush balloon. And then a pinch twist. And then we're going to make the other ear. So we're going to do the same thing as before. We're going to make a 6 cm bubble. And then a 12 cm bubble. And then tie it back to the pinch twist.
This Christmas. Let's twist together. This Christmas. Let's twist together.
You can now pop off the rest of that blush balloon and tie a knot. Now we're going to move on to the green balloon and we're going to make a 30 cm bubble and then tie it to the pinch twist on the other side. And then we're going to make another 30 cm bubble and then tie it back to the first pinch twist. You can put the pinch twists inside the 2 loops of the ears if you like. Now to make the tip of the hat, if you like to make your hat symmetrical, feel free to just find the midpoint, twist it, and then tie it to the other side. Otherwise, you can do what we did, a 30 cm bubble, and then a 25 cm bubble, and then tying it back to the other side. This makes a slightly unsymmetrical hat. Then you can squish the balloon into a more curved shape to give it a little bit of a tilted hat.
Let's twist together. This Christmas.
And your balloon elf hat is complete.
Well, I have a balloon elf hat. Comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.